Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to apply COUNTIF function in Excel. A COUNTIF function is used to count the number of cells according to a criteria or multiple criteria. As you can see, we have a data and we want to count the number of salespeople according to, as you can see, we want to count the number of sales orders made by different sales managers in different regions. We use COUNTIF function. Here we enter the formula, double click here, press equal sign and type count, and you can see COUNTIF. Now we need to select the criteria range and in different regions. Now comma. Now press F4 for absolute cell reference. Now comma. Now select the criteria and we select the region. Now comma, space and select criteria 2, and here you need to select the order and comma, press F4. Again select the range and press F4, comma and criteria 2, and that is greater than equal to 60, G2, and bracket close and hit enter. So we see that in east region we have two such orders which are greater than 60. This one and this one, and we need to autofill, and we see the plus sign and drag to the bottom. And east in west we have only one order greater than 60. North we also have only one order, and in south also. So in this way we can find how many orders are made in east, west, and north and south greater than 60. In east there are only two, and in the rest of the regions we have only one order greater than 60. So number of orders are more in east, and the rest of the region are the equal. So in this way you can use COUNTIF function to calculate the number of sales people who have different orders in different regions. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.